English together.
Feeling sick. Hi, John. How are you?
Hi, Jessica. I'm not feeling well. I have a bad cold.
Oh, no. That sounds awful. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I do. I feel very hot and tired.
You should rest at home. It's important to get a lot of sleep.
I know, but I have a lot of work to do.
Work can wait. Your health is more important.
You're right. I'll take a break.
Have you seen a doctor?
No, I haven't. I don't like going to the doctor.
I understand, but a doctor can help you feel better.
Yes, maybe I should go. What can I do at home?
Drink a lot of water and eat soup. It helps.
Good idea. I'll make some soup.
Also, stay warm. Wear a sweater.
Thanks, Jessica. I will.
Take care of yourself, John.
Hi. I want to make an appointment, please.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is John Smith.
Thank you, John. Why do you need to see the doctor?
I have a bad cold. I feel very tired and I have a cough.
I'm sorry to hear that. When would you like to come in?
Can I come tomorrow morning?
Yes. How about 10 a.m.? Does that work for you?
Yes, that's good.
Great. I'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Thank you very much. Now, let's learn some useful vocabulary.
Fever,
Tired,
cough,
appointment.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.